Hey everyone, this is Pete Kulitsky with Audio Dynamics, here to unbox the 2000 Series 5¼ component set. Inside the box, we find a cardboard insert, and beneath it a pair of the CS52 component woofers. There's also a pair of tweeters and crossovers, all recessed into their own individual compartments. The woofers feature a blended wool pulp cone, a rubber surround, and a stamped steel frame with a crinkle finish powder coat, which deadens the frame from unwanted resonances. The tweeters feature a 25mm high-quality silk dome behind an acoustically transparent hexagonal mesh. There is also a pair of crossovers featuring high-quality Mylar capacitors and air core inductors for quality highs and smooth mid-range reproduction. An internal switch offers 0, -3, and -6 dB attenuation. Dimension-wise, the CS52 woofer features a mounting diameter of 4.51 inches, with a mounting depth of 2.14 inches. The TW2522 tweeter has a mounting diameter of 1.92 inches, with a flush mounting depth of only 0.78 inches. And the crossover covers a 3.1 by 4.22 inch footprint with a protrusion of 1.3 inches. For more information, parameters, and other performance data, check out the rest of the product page here at adcoreaudio.com.